honk if you have a nice car.
We're so cool right now.
Is it chafing?
Okay, so we're gonna hold this up right over here on the road. There. Right over here. Right here. So far, number 4 is 0.
Carly,
Honk if you have a nice car. You there? Okay, we gotta go back by stop sign.
No.
Honk if you have a nice car. So
We're not going to
no
Zoe.
honks are still 0. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk if you have a nice car. Nobody believes in a nice car. Honk if you have a nice car. Anybody?
Carly.
Okay, he has a nice car. He needs to go. Honk if you have a nice car. Anybody? Anybody? Honk if you have a nice car. That is a nice car. Come on, somebody. Honk. Have some faith.
Still 0.
Some of these cars are nice. Some. Not all, but for those cars that aren't.
Okay.
That was a nice car.
Let's go back.
Not even hold. Oh my gosh. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk your horn. Honk your horn. 0. Come on, guys.
Carly.
Honk if you have a nice car. Come on, guys. Honk your horn.
This is not a good idea.
Honk to support us. Honk your horn. Honk for charity. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk for charity. Honk for us. Honk your horn. Honk your horn. Somebody, anybody, honk your horn. Wait,
Motorbike.
oh, honk your horn, motorcycle guy.
You didn't see it.
So far, this is not working. Why is it working? Can they not read it?
I don't. Yes, they can.
We need to go somewhere where they have to stop. Go in the middle of the road.
Honk
your damn horn! Honk! Honk! Honk your horn!
That's 1. 2.
We got 2 whole horns! Honk again, sorry, honk! Honk, Fred! Honk, Fred! Honk! Honk, Tobias! Honk if you have a nice car! Have a nice car! See you later, guys!
A thumbs up.
No. Let's post a thumbs up. Come on, I'm gonna get your car. Honk for me. That's the car I'm gonna get. That red truck right there.
Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful. Honk if you have a nice car. You do. Honk. Honk if you have a nice car, people. Honk
What
for us.
the
That's
my
5 honks right here. That's 5 honks.
I thought it was more.
Mine's like silver. Save Yeah, barely touched you.
Carrie's coming.
Honk if you have a nice car. And you do. His windows went down. But I think that's probably all we're going to get. Honk if you have a nice car. Come on, honk your horn for us.
No, thanks.
Honk for us. Honk your horn. Honk your horn.
He looked at us.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Honk if you have a nice car.
They all look, and then...
They're all looking fun. Okay, well...
No, we're not going to Zoe's.
Okay.
We're not...